So recording is started. So hello everyone and welcome to Innovation Tech Community. So another episode of this Microsoft AI series, that is Azure AI series. So here I am Pratap Reddy, Microsoft AI MVP. So today we can discuss something about the speech studio, so end-to-end part of this speech studio, so where we can discuss how this speech studio will really works in real time and everything we can discuss. Okay, sorry, excuse me, I have very cold today, so that's why my voice and everything is something different. Okay, so before going to the that hands-on of this speech studio, I would like to ask you guys, and so please feel free to please let me know. So, what do you know about this Microsoft Azure Speech Studio, and at least what is A in terms of you? Okay, so if you know the answer, please let me know in the chat or comment section. So that would be better that we can understand about this. What is A and what is Speech Studio? Okay. And now I would like to tell you I think in general terms, I would like to tell you what is AI. So I'm a human being. So let's say I have this particular specs. Okay. So, so for example, how I am talking, for example, excuse me, how I'm talking. So same way, this specs also we can make it as speech. It is also make it as it is able to see and it is able to hear and it is able to act like that. So these are the simple terms. For example, how I'm talking, how I'm seeing, how I am acting, the same way we can make it this particular respects in such a way, then we can call it as an artificial intelligence in my terms. Okay, so the AI can really able to see, hear, and speak and remember. Yeah. So whatever we are talking and whatever the things I'm talking, so same way this AI can able to remember the whatever the things we are discussing in last 1 hour and last 24 hours and whatever the things. So when it was started, for example, this particular AI is started by last 6 months. So definitely it is able to remember the all the things. So you can ask and it definitely will give you the response accordingly. Okay. Now I'm going to share the screen and I would like to show you the how we can create one service in a speech service. How can we create one speech service and everything I would like to show you. Okay. And before going to that session, so feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn and feel free to subscribe our YouTube channel and connect with me on X. And so definitely that would be better for us to know on to spread the word of innovation tech community where we can tell something about the new to the tech world and all. Okay. So today I think I will show you the interesting facts and where we can discussing something about the avatar models and these avatar models will discuss. I would like to discuss with avatar models. So today I don't have any co-host along with me. So definitely, author is one of the model. So that will make me host for us. Okay, let me share my screen. So sorry, actually, so from last 24 hours onwards, so in Chennai the climate is very cold. So that's why I'm facing this issue. Yeah. So first of all, you need to uh, sign in with your portal.azure. Whatever the email ID, whatever the account you have, you just to sign in with your account. So I'm having the Microsoft MVP account where I'm having the toll. Every month I'm getting $150 and as well as I'm getting yearly I'm getting the $12,000. So where I can build something and where I can demonstrate something on end-to-end perspective of this Azure as well. Okay. So I just sign in with my MVP account. Okay. I don't know how much time it will take to complete this session. So I hope you guys will enjoy this entire session. Okay. Let me. Okay, so I think I'm already created one speech service, but I would like to show you how can we create one speech service. And before going to create one speech service, so we need to one access for this all the AI services like in Azure OpenAI or OpenAI, I mean Azure OpenAI and AI Studio. No? So we need access. So we need access. We need to request for access. So we need to give the all the details and our employer details and mobile and addresses and everything we need to give. So and we need to give one debit card or credit card will exhaust to ₹2. So once your request has been granted, so then you can ready to utilize the all the AI services. And yeah, I would like. I mean, if you, I maybe we at the end I would like to add the uh, speech service. I mean, sorry, that access link as well. I would like to add in the at the end, or else I would like to give you in the chat as well. Okay. Okay. I think I'm sharing the screen. I'm already shared the screen. So let me share with the audio as well. So I'll stop screen and let me share with the audio, include audio and this window. Okay. Yeah. So now my screen is visible to everyone. So here there is a one service called speech service, and here I am already search the service, so that's why it is appear in the top. Okay, so and also you can also search it in the search bar, and it will hope it will you can find it the service as well. So then you can tap on this service. So I'm already uh, created the two services, but I would like to before creating this service. Okay, let me try to tap on create option. Okay, and once you tap on this create option, it will take several seconds. Okay, so here I have the subscription. So like pay as you go and as well as the Visual Studio. I think you are due to this portal.azure. So you have an like for example, how can we say that we have the free trial version, free trial subscription as well. You can it will demonstrate, it will give you the 28 days, and you can get at least $200, and you can utilize $200 for all the services. Okay, so I have the two subscriptions, pay as you go and Visual Studio. So I just go with the pay as you go and resource group. I have the several resource group. I can select any resource group. I can go with the content. Okay, so if you don't have any I mean resource group, just tap on to create, and it will automatically. I mean, just give your whatever the name you want to give for this resource group. It definitely. I mean, it is within a fraction of second you will try to create one resource group as well. Okay, now so here in the region, so that's why I'm before creating, I would like to tell you something about this region. So, most of the in speech services, so yes, nowadays it is very very good. Uh, Avatar models are coming. These avatar models are only available in only limited regions. So, so for these limited regions, so it is mostly I think Australia and North Europe and Western US and like that. These type of regions only available for. I mean, this model. I mean, avatar models are available in these regions only. So that's why be careful whenever you need to create one region. You need to select. I mean, you need to select. Sorry for the previous one. So you need to select the region as North Europe or South Europe or Australia East or something. You can. So don't select East US. So because this region is not so. I mean, East US is not supported for this avatar models. Okay. So let me try to select the North Europe. Okay. So here I need to give one unique name. Pratap AI Day 568. So pricing title would be like standard as well. And then just tap on to create the review plus create. Okay. So if we have these several things like networks and identity and tags. Okay. So just so I'll show you. So network and we just make it as all network. So and identity, I mean you just make it as a default and identity as a default and the tags as default. So if you have anything values related to your project requirements, when only you can add these tags and otherwise we just tap onto the review plus. So once the validation is completed, so you are ready to use this speech services. Okay. So validation is completed, everything is fine. So now I'm going to tap on this create option. Okay. Excuse me. Yeah. So it will take several, I mean, 1 or 2 minutes to complete this deployment. So once the deployment is completed, you are ready to use this speed service. Okay. Now I'm already created. Yes, deployment is completed. Okay. So now I'm already created the two services, and I mean third service is also added to my speech service as well. So now I'm going to go for the top 6373 account. Okay. Let me so here there is an option called go to speech studio. So just tap on here that option. So it will redirect to the another tab. Okay. Here, this is the speech studio. So today I can demonstrate a very few things in speech studio. So I mean, in upcoming weeks, I would like to demonstrate something about this speech studio. Okay. I would like to show you something. So we have the caption with the speech to text and I mean, post-call transcription analytics and live chat with author and learning language and video translation. And we have the several options from speech too. So we have you, for example, you have the bundle of speech audios. For example, let's say you are talking and you can talk. And for example, you have an audio files like 10 or 20 files, and it will be like whatever the 10 or 20 files, it will be converted to the audio for like MP3 format to the text format like that. For example, in a real-time text-to-speech and whisper model and batch speech-to-text and custom speech, and these are the several things, and text-to-speech. And we have, for example, let's say I'm talking, it will be converted from the text to speech as well. That is audio model. So we have this thing, custom voice and personal voice, and we have the text-to-speech avatar, which is one of my favorite. Favorite model in this one is the text to speech avatar model. So it is very, very good. And so whenever we need to demonstrate something about it. And so we have voice assistants as custom keywords and custom commands. So these are the one of the thing. But today, let me, I would like to show you something about this particular live chat avatar and learning language. Okay. Let me go for the live chat. Or for example, before going to the live chat with avatar, I just tap onto the language learning and
Hi, what would you like to talk about today?
yeah. Yeah. So hi. So how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How
So
can I assist you today?
so can you please tell me something about Azure AI services and in two sentences?
Azure services provide cloud computing solutions, including virtual machines, databases, AI, and IoT. They offer scalable, reliable, and secure resources for businesses of all sizes.
Okay. So sorry for the interrupt. So I'm in a session. So I'm demonstrating this language learning. So can you please give me some learn modules to? I'm in the session with 100 plus people, and those who are the enthusiasts with the speech studio language learning. Can you please give me any such kind of learn modules or Microsoft Learn links and all? Are you able to provide?
You can find language learning resources at the Microsoft Education Center, https://education, microsoft.com/and-us. It offers various modules and login links.
Okay, so thank you so much for this wonderful conversation with you. And so yeah, definitely I would like to get back to you soon, and so we can discuss more about this language learning. And okay, thank you. So let's wait for
You're
this
welcome.
conversation. Sorry. Just carry on.
Sounds great. When is the competition?
Okay. So this is the something. Sorry. It is recording. Okay, let me go back. Okay. So this is all about like a language learning. So for example, if you are enthusiastic with the language learning, it will give you the responses accordingly. So, but I'm really, really happy. So what are the responses it will give you? I mean, this avatar model will give you the responses about this language learning. So it is very, very good. So you have the free time and you just chit chat with this language learning. It will give you the huge responses. So now let me go through this live chat with avatar. So here we can select the different types of avatars and okay. So here we have the samples, and so here we have settings like where you can select the settings as well. So I need to set the multi-language, and here the voice as and so you can select the different voices as well, and speaking style as a default. And so the model, the integrated for this speech today is the two model version is the GPT-4o mini. GPT-4o, that is GPT-4 Omni model, and response style, it will be the default response OBA that is already there. And so you want to select the Lisa, if you want to select the different Harry in the business model, casual model, youthful model, and like Lisa, and we have the different avatars here, so you can select any one of them. So once you selected everything, just make sure you just save the changes. Okay, so I just changed the this thing, and here it is the chart panel. You just tap on here, and it will the whatever the responses comes from this speech studio author model. It everything that will be appear here. Okay, let me chart. Just press the mic to start talking. Hi Lisa, how are you?
Hello. I'm just a computer program, so I don't have feelings, but I'm here and ready to help you with anything you need. How can I assist you today?
Okay, so today I'm in one session. So that to the innovation tech community conducted this session about where I'm demonstrating something about the speech studio, author models and all. So can you say, oh sorry,
It looks like your message might have been cut off or a bit unclear. Could you please provide more details?
yeah, so sorry, I just cut off this one. So can you please say to hi all the tech enthusiasts, those who are joined this session. So this is
Es sieht so aus, als ob Ihr Text nicht vollständig oder etwas unklar ist.
sorry.
Möchten Sie über Kartoffelsalat sprechen oder etwas Spezielles dazu wissen? Lassen Sie mich wissen, wie ich Ihnen helfen kann.
So sorry, sorry. Actually, so I'm requesting you to say hi to all my tech enthusiasts, those who are the part of this session, and those are from the innovation tech community.
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help with that. Hello to all the tech enthusiasts out there. I'm thrilled to be a part of this session with the innovation tech community. Whether you're tackling new challenges, exploring cutting edge technologies, or sharing your insights, your passion and dedication are what drive innovation forward. Keep pushing the boundaries and inspiring others with your incredible work.
Okay, so thank you so much, and I would like to know something. What can you please suggest the best laptop I can buy nowadays?
Certainly.
Choosing the best
It is
laptop
giving
depends
some
on your
responses
specific
as well.
needs and budget, but here are a few top options across different categories as of 2023. Hashtag.
Yeah. So these are the some like so sometimes you just clear the what are the text you have already talked with this author model set. Sometimes it will be confusing when the author model will be interact with you. Okay. Now I would like to tell you something here. Like so this live chat with author sometimes um so the response, I mean whatever the response, it will be grabbing from us. So the output will be like that. So make sure the surrounding should be very nice, free and all. So then only it will give you the responses accordingly. Sorry. Okay. So so these are the one of the thing. So live chat with author and language learning and all. So there is a one more thing called uh, speech text to speech author. Okay. So here, so you can give the text and it will generate the response, generate the video accordingly, and then you can uh, I mean, like it will give you the responses accordingly. So, like how this guys, I mean, for example, you can if you are ready to surprise your mother and father with their anniversary and your friend's birthday, and if you have in your gang there is any funny friend, also if you want to fool that friend, and you can make it as some avatar videos and all, so then it is happy to give you. So let me try to give one thing. So I just take some like give me I just take some examples from ChatGPT, so in Telugu or in Kannada languages. So so there is a one poet called Vemana. So he write the poems very very clear. Okay. Uh, so so that's why I just took one poem from ChatGPT, and it will give you the response. Okay, let me copy. Okay, I think I this particular thing is not. I think I need to take select first of all. I need to select the language. Okay, let me take Telugu language. I just Telugu India, and I don't take too much of time, so let me complete by within 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so I just took someone poem of Vemana, and so I need to translate to. I mean, I just change the language as Telugu and make sure it is very very important. And then once you change that language, then you can tap onto the generate video. It will give you the response. So like the same way, you can also try to fool you. I mean, for example, I'm not saying this one. So if, for example, I do some several things. I can make birthday videos and some other things in anniversary videos with the help of this avatar models. It will give you the response, and we need to download, and we can share it in the social media in WhatsApp status and everything. Okay, let me try to generate the video. Just tap on here, and it will take 1 or 2 minutes to create this video. Okay, sorry, excuse me. So I'm very very cold today. Okay, and so like same way. So this avatar model, like you can also that I love this today's session. I love this language learning, and so where we can discuss something about it will give you the responses accordingly. So whatever I can ask, it will give you the response. Okay, let me try to play this audio.
అయ్యా వెమ్మన చెప్పిన పద్యము ఆకు నీకు లేనిది కొయ్యగాని చిగురు జాగు నీకు లేనిది తోటగాని మొగ్గ వీరమనే యాడని భీరు గొలిపెద విష్ణుమాయ జగమెర విశ్వదాభిరామ వినురవేమ.
Is perfect, and it will give you the response accordingly. So if you want to download this video, so just tap on here, and there is an option called download. Then you can share it with across your family, friends, and all, whatever you can.
అయ్యా వెమ్మన చెప్పిన పద్యము
So this is all about
ఆకు
something
నీ
about the speech studio. So about this avatar models where we can discuss something about. And finally, I just say,
Hi, what would you like to talk about today?
yeah. So can you please say the end note to all my innovation tech? Sorry. So So can you please say the end note to the innovation tech community people, those who are joined for this language learning session?
Thank you to the Notion Tech community for your support and engagement in this language learning session. You were incredible.
Yeah, so thank you everyone, those who are the part of this session. So we'd like to know some more about this speech services and everything in very soon. Okay, thank you.